no, this is the second time this video has been filmed. Okay, no problem. Let's go. Hi everyone and welcome to my first review of Reno 11 5G. In this video, I will be taking a look at the phone's design and display screen and performance, also camera, also parallel light. So if you are considering buying this phone, be sure to stick around until the end of the video. Ready? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the design. The Reno 11F has a sleek and modern design that's sure to turn heads. It's available in 3 colors, black and blue, also green. In fact, I have a green. I don't know how this green color, but by the way, this phone is also very lightweight and thin, making it easy to carry around in your pocket. This phone has water and dust resistant. Actually, I made full video for water test. You can watch it from the end screen. This is what makes it distinct from others. Now let's talk about the display screen. The Reno 11F has a 6.5-inch AMOLED display with 120 refresh rate. The display is very bright and clear, and the colors is very accurate. I also really like 120 refresh rate, which makes scrolling easier to you. What do you think about the processor? This phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050. The phone also has 8GB of RAM and 256 of storage. As you see, the performance of the Reno is very good. Apps open it quickly and games run smoothly. For the camera, the phone has a triple lens rear camera system. As you see, the main sensor is a 64 megapixel, and there is also an 8 megapixel for ultra wide. Also, we have a 2 megapixel for macro lens. Actually, I was very impressed with the quality of the photos I took with the Reno 11F. Take a look with me and tell me your view about its camera quality. Tell me your opinion in comment. For me, the photos were sharp and details. The colors were very accurate. The phone also has a 32 megapixel front camera full selfie. I think it's good. Not bad. Okay, let's finish our first review with the battery. The battery here is a 5000 mAh. We can find the battery life very wonderful. I was able to get through a full day of use on a single charge without any problem, and you can charge this phone with super fast, I mean VOOC charge, with a charge speed of 67 watts. And overall, I'm very impressed with the Reno 11F. It's a great phone with a lot of offer, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a new mid-range smartphones. Finally, thanks for watching, and if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to put like and subscribe. See you soon. Peace.